Hello everyone, welcome to Acing Academy's YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be talking about the new recruitment opportunity, which has been released by Madhya Pradesh पूर्व क्षेत्र विद्युत वितरण कंपनी लिमिटेड. ये जो नोटिफिकेशन है वो पूरी हिंदी में है, ये ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट पे निकली है. दिस नोटिफिकेशन इज फॉर अप्रेंटिसशिप पोजीशंस. ये आप अप्लाई कर सकते हैं इफ़ यू आर अ B.Tech स्टूडेंट, ऑल्सो अ डिप्लोमा स्टूडेंट. B.Tech students for electrical, civil, IT and CSE, B.Com, and also diploma electrical and civil students are applicable. Total number of vacancies are 70, as it has been mentioned over here. I'll just open it up over here. Yeah. So here total number of vacancies are 70. Number of vacancies have been released. As you can see, total 70 vacancies have been released for various considerations, as you can see. Right. B.Tech, B.Com. And with respect to the categories also, it has been mentioned. Now, the consideration is that the starting date of the application, one second, I will see what is the starting date. Yes, the starting date, the last date, 1st of June is the starting date, and last date is 30th of June 2025. And apart from that, your age limit and everything will be calculated with respect to 1st of April 2025. Right. Here, the selection process will be based upon your marks in your degree and your other marks as well. Everything is mentioned over here. Here, there will be no separate examination. This is for apprenticeship positions, right? You need to register on NATS portal. I'll share the website corresponding to that. But if you are a B.Tech student, then 9,000 will be your stipend. If you are diploma, 8,000 rupees will be your stipend, right? And apart from that, there will be a requirement that you should apply on registration portal, that is nats.education.gov.in, for one-time registration process, profile completion, and apply for the position over here, MPEZ.co.in, right? Now here you are also supposed to upload you're required to upload your 12th class certificate, 10th class certificate, your degree, your caste certificate as well, right? And do that before 30th of June 2025, right? Good opportunity if you are a fresher and want to work with the government as an intern. It's a good opportunity. You can apply, and specifically if you are a Madhya Pradesh resident as well. Thank you for watching this video. If you think that this video will be helpful for someone, do share it with your friends. Do subscribe to our channel. If there is any doubt regarding this notification, please comment down in the comment section. I'll reply them personally. Do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.